Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I've got another package here, and I'm pretty excited to open this one. This is some items that I bought that I do not have. I do not have these in my collection. This is not Bullion. This is something else. I consider doing a what's in the box on this one, but I'm too anxious to get it open, and I'd rather just get it opened up and get it recorded and do another what's in the box later. So anyway, I bought this off an auction site and I got this stuff for a really good price. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so the label's on the other side, so I'm just gonna, feels like all this stuff is down the bottom down here. So I'm just going to try to cut along the top up here. Hopefully, I'm hoping the only thing I cut into is the invoice. So, yep, definitely an invoice there. I'll take that out of there. Now here's the star of the show. This is what I picked up. I picked up two sets of these. We have the, oh, look at these. These are the 2013 enhanced proof. Camera's not picking up the beauty of that enhanced proof. And let's look at the back. You can see it's from the West Point Mint, 2013. This came as a 2-coin set in a box. Obviously, it's been taken out of the box and sent in to be graded. And of course, it is a perfect SP70 enhanced finish. Pretty cool, huh? It is a beautiful, beautiful coin. And then, look at this. We have ourselves a graded PF70. This is the reverse proof. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? Reverse proof. Got a little smudge in that case, but thing's probably been around for 5 or 6 years in this case. NGC certified. West Point. Eagle set. So look at that beauty, huh? Wow. I think this might be my first reverse proof set. Reverse proof American Eagle. So I usually just buy the Bullion versions. But let me tell you, I got these for pretty darn cheap. I can't believe what I got them for. And here's another one. Same thing. 2013 early release. These are all early releases. I hadn't noticed that before. Look at the enhanced. Look at the way that dress or that gown or that robe, it's got the stripes on it. But my camera's not working well tonight. I don't know what's up with it. Doesn't seem to want to focus. Another beauty. Turn it over. And look at that. You can see the W for the West Point. So and then I got another reverse proof as well. PF70. And we have the reverse proof is everything that's frosty and the original one is shiny, and everything that's shiny on the original one is frosty. So you can see the background's got that frosty matte look to it. It's gorgeous. This camera is not doing these coins justice at all. And look at the back of this thing. Like, wow. It is nice. So yeah, early release on them all. Let me look at the serial numbers. One's a 130. and a 133. I was kind of hoping they'd be sequential. But there's a couple graded in between those. And let's look at these. We have 321 and 324. So yeah, got the 2 sets. Got them for a good deal. I've already got 1 set sold. I got somebody who has already picked these up off of me, because I passed on the great savings to that person as well. So yeah, we got ourselves some beauties here, don't we? Really, really nice. Just not doing well on the slide. Anytime you get a graded coin, it's very hard to get it on the camera without all the lights on it. And when I tip it, it shows me. Let's try tipping it this way. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, look at those. And again, these stickers will be coming off. These 278 and 280 were the auction numbers. So we can flip them over and look at them. Look at the back sides too. Oops. Yeah, just not doing it justice. These things are gorgeous. Alright, well that's it for now. I just wanted to show you another great deal that I found just by looking around and keeping my searching going. Let me see if I can get these all on the screen. Take a look at these babies. Oh yeah. And they do have a little light on them there. Let me see if I can angle my camera. No, that's not going to work. Anyway, I think you guys know what an American Eagle looks like. These things are beautiful. And that's it for now. Just wanted to show you guys some cool auction items I picked up. Appreciate you watching. And check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there. And why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification next to it. That'd be awesome as well. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.